Hello, now in this step we will design the second shaft. The difference between the two shafts is the start and the end. Here, the first shaft is started by the spacer 5 mm after the spacer 15 mm, and there is 16 cutters. In the new shaft, we will start by just the 15 mm only, after we have 17 cutters. So let's start. Here you can see it started by the yellow one, so we will take the blue one. Okay, make as before in the first shaft. We will repeat parts one by one. So we will start by the spacer. Must be 16 page and the spacer is 30 mm. Direction is reverse. Part with this. Okay. Same. We use this reverse this one. Will be 16 and here 16. It will be here 9 pieces. Okay. Now save this part, direction, this one, reverse, here only 8 pieces, and that's it. You just add this one, as you can see it must be 17 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and that's okay. Okay, let's see in the next step.